Okay, you got me. I did not go to the gym this morning because I'm sick, but we usually, every single day, we do go to the gym from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So when we're back, I'm cooking breakfast, Lucas is in the shower, then we sit down and we just enjoy our time together watching David Dobrik. Funny, but it's like the best thing ever. And yeah, then he leaves, I go to the shower, and then this is what I do next. Okay, I think this is it. This is my couch potato work from home style video. It's not that exciting as it might sound. It's a lot of, just being alone by yourself and just trying to motivate yourself. I'm very grateful, but sometimes it gets very, very lonely, so that's when I turn to my Instagram. So don't forget to follow me there if you're still not following. And yeah, to be clear, I don't wake up at 6 or 6:30 every single morning. I do try to as much as I can, but if I didn't sleep well night before, then I'm definitely gonna sleep in and wake up straight before gym. I also don't meditate every single morning. I do try to as much as I can, but if if I wake up later or if I don't feel like it, I'm not gonna do it. But that's ideally what it looks like and what I want it to be like, and the guidelines that I'm kind of following in my head of what I need to do before Lucas gets back to work. Because literally when he leaves, I clean up, I sit down with my laptop, it's either here or at my desk, and just do random stuff, work as much as I can, and try to squeeze in as many tasks as I can. So yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.